Hi, this is King of Review. Which of the two sets of matrices can be added together? What is the correct answer? So what is a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. Row by column is how you name the matrix, and this is also its dimensions. So let's look at set A first. Set A, this first matrix, it has 2 rows and 2 columns. So this one is a 2 by 2 matrix because it has 2 rows and 2 columns. Now let's look at the second matrix in set A. It has 2 rows and 3 columns. So that would be a 2 by 3 matrix because it has 2 rows and 3 columns. Now let's look at set B. This first matrix here, it has 2 rows and 3 columns. So it would be a 2 by 3 because it has 2 rows and 3 columns. And the second matrix in set B, it has 2 rows and 3 columns. So this one would be a 2 by 3 because it has 2 rows and 3 columns. To add or subtract matrices, you must add or subtract corresponding entries. So each number within the matrix is a different entry. And if you add two matrices together, you must add corresponding entries. But you can only add or subtract matrices with the same dimensions. So let's look at set A. Our first matrix is a 2 by 2. And our second matrix is a 2 by 3. These dimensions are not the same. Therefore, we cannot add set A together. Now let's look at set B. The first matrix is a 2 by 3, and the second matrix is a 2 by 3. These have the same dimensions. Therefore, we can add them together. So let's do that. When we add them together, we're going to add corresponding entries. So let's look at the top left entry here. So we have a -1 and a 0. These entries are in row 1, column 1. So they're in the same position. So we're going to add them together. So -1 plus 0. The next is 2 and -4. So we have 2 plus a -4. Next is 0 and 3. So we have 0 plus 3. Now let's move down to row 2, 0 and 9. So we have 0 plus 9, 3 and -4, so 3 plus a -4, and the last entry is 6 and -3, so 6 plus a -3. So now we just need to do the math here. So -1 plus 0 is -1. 2 plus a -4 is -2. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 9 is 9. 3 plus a -4 is -1. And 6 plus a -3 is 3. So we can add set B together, and this is the final answer when we add them together. So letter C is correct. Thanks for watching.